Hi, my name is Heather, and today I'm going to show you how to add an image gallery to your Wix website that you can use to display your art. First of all, I have a blank section here, but if you have stuff here and you want to add the image gallery, then you want to do it in a new section. So you can click Add Section, and then you're going to go over on the left here and just go all the way down to Basic. And then you're going to click the blank one, and you're just going to drag it and drop it onto that new part right there. And now this is where we're going to add the image gallery. So I'm going to click the plus sign for Add Elements, and I'm going to go to Gallery, and I'm going to scroll through these and find one that I like. I want to do this slider one. I think this will work well. So I'm going to grab this, and I'm just going to click and drag and just drop it right in here. And see how it says attached to strip? That's what we want. So I'm just going to drop it, and it's now attached to this strip. And you can see how it goes outside of these dotted lines. I don't really want that because the dotted lines are where it's going to get cut off on smaller screens. So I want all of my content to be within those. Now I'm going to click on the gallery, and I'm going to click on Manage Media. These are all of the images that are in the gallery now that Wix just automatically put in there. So I'm going to do Select All, and I'm going to delete. And now I'll click Add Media, Image, Upload, Upload from Computer, and I'll just grab all of those images. Now all of our images are done uploading, so let's pick some for the slider. Now I'm going to do Add to Gallery. We can arrange these any different way if we want to. And once we have her portfolio set up, we can actually have these images link to sections of her portfolio. So like we can have the photography image link to the photography section of her portfolio. And we'll just do that by going over here and filling out the link section and making that go there. We can fill out some of this stuff over here. The title and the description are going to show up on the Wix website. So that's what those would be for. I don't know the title of this artwork, but say it was like Dark Girl. We could write what media it's in. So let's say it's mixed media, and then we do Done, and we could click Preview. And when we click on it, it'll have that text and the description that we wrote there. So you can do that if you want. Another thing we could do is if we go back to Manage Media, then for each image, we can add in some alt text right here. And that's going to help with screen readers. So it's good for accessibility. If people are blind or low vision and they're using a screen reader, then this will be able to tell them what the image is. And the other thing it's really good for is SEO, which is search engine optimization. So it will really help your website to come up better in search results. So I'm going to erase the description and title, and I'll let Leanne do that if she wants to. But I'm going to fill out the alt text to help with the SEO. When I'm done entering those in, then I will just click Done. We can preview the site by going to Preview, and then we can see what it looks like in the web browser. And here's the gallery, and you can go through the images, and you can click on an image to view it bigger. And when you're all ready to publish, you can click the Publish button up here, and that will make your changes live. That's all for this video. Stay tuned for the next video where we will add the contact form and style it. If you're working on your own Wix website, join my Creativity Club on Facebook and you can share it there. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Or as always, you can email me at heather@heathercash.com. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so I know to make more videos like this. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.